Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start the iCloud password reset now. First, make sure Wi-Fi is active and your iPad has enough battery to complete the process. Otherwise, it may stall. Open Settings and tap your name, then choose Password and Security. If you're asked for a recovery contact or trusted phone number, have that device ready. Once those pieces are in place, select Change Password or Forgot Password and follow the on-screen prompts to begin verification. Now you'll verify your identity so you can set a new password. After tapping Forgot Apple ID or Password, choose how you want to receive verification, email or a trusted phone number, and enter your Apple ID. You'll get a code on the trusted device. Enter it here. If two-factor authentication is enabled, you may be prompted to confirm from another Apple device or enter your iPad passcode. Make sure to wait for the code arrival and type. Finally, choose and confirm a new strong password. Aim for at least 12 characters with mixed letters and numbers so your account stays secure. Once the password is accepted, sign back into iCloud in Settings and re-enable any iCloud services that were paused. Make sure your device is sync and that Find My is functioning. If something goes wrong, codes not arriving or verification failing, use Account Recovery from the Apple ID page or contact Apple support for guided help to restore access safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.